Technology story is often told through the lens of its past achievements, but quietly under the surface, a new wave of innovation is rewriting the country's role in the global tech landscape. This is not the flashy robot shows or the tourist-friendly gadgets you see in the streets of Tokyo. It is a silent revolution happening in boardrooms, research labs, and co-working spaces across the country. The companies leading this change are not necessarily the corporate giants that built Japan's reputation decades ago. Instead, they are agile, forward-thinking firms combining precision engineering with cutting-edge digital technologies. Some are reimagining energy efficiency, building systems that make skyscrapers use less power without sacrificing comfort. Others are pioneering AI algorithms that can detect diseases faster than traditional methods, giving doctors better tools to save lives. You will also find Japanese startups developing autonomous delivery robots, already navigating city streets and rural roads, and companies producing microchips that could redefine computing power for the next generation. Their work often happens away from the media spotlight, but the impact is being felt across industries from healthcare to manufacturing, from transportation to clean energy. One reason this revolution is so quiet is cultural. Many Japanese entrepreneurs value results over self-promotion. They let the products speak for themselves. A medical device company in Osaka might be saving lives in hospitals in Europe and America without most people in Japan even knowing it exists. A drone manufacturer in Nagoya could be shaping global logistics while keeping its headquarters in a modest office above a shopping arcade. This understated approach means their stories are not always told, but the technology still makes its way into the world. International collaboration plays a key role as well. Japan's tech innovators are partnering with universities in the USA, research centers in Europe, and manufacturing hubs in Southeast Asia. The result is a fusion of global expertise and Japanese craftsmanship, a combination that often leads to products with unmatched reliability and efficiency. Investors are starting to notice venture capital funding into Japanese tech startups is climbing year by year. Yet the ecosystem retains its quiet, deliberate pace, focusing on sustainable growth instead of rapid hype cycles. Walking through Tokyo, as lesser-known districts, you can find co-working spaces filled with engineers coding late into the night and prototype labs humming with the sound of 3D printers. The people here are driven by solving real problems, whether it is clean water access, disaster prevention, or more inclusive digital tools. They are not chasing headlines, but rather aiming for solutions that last decades. This is the real strength of Japan's silent tech revolution. As the rest of the world debates the promises and perils of AI, automation, and digital transformation, Japan is quietly proving that innovation does not have to be loud to be world-changing. The companies at the heart of this shift are writing the next chapter in global technology and doing it with the same precision, patience, and perfectionism that has defined Japanese craftsmanship for centuries. The difference now is that their work is not just shaping Japan's future, it is quietly changing the world. Must like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.